All right, I'm gonna record and commentate as I'm doing this, and this might be a bad idea, but here we have the lid, and it's 25% infill, and we've got that wire mesh I was referring to on top. And so I got a nice hot soldering iron, and I'm just going to just lightly... Oh, wow. Oh, this might be working really well. So let's just go like... Yeah, okay. And hot. Nice and slow. Melt into the mesh. So it's like the plastic is melting into the mesh. There we go. Okay. Let's just do it on. Just drag the iron across the mesh. This is the first time I've ever done this. Yeah, I guess I kind of assumed and expected that's how this was going to work, but I didn't actually think it was going to work so well. There, see it? It kind of, it's like the PLA wets a little bit. Yeah, there it goes. Wow. There's definitely a certain speed, because if you go too slow, you'll just blow a hole through your part, right? We don't want that, but we also know that the metal is very conductive of heat, so we want to take advantage of that property as we're going across the part. That's it. That looks... Wow. It almost looks professional. Very nice.